Good morning, guys. It is Friday, and it is early in the morning. Very, very early in the morning. Excuse the state of what I look like. I am just getting out of bed. This is the first day this week that I have gotten up early since we have gotten back from vacation, because I have felt like I have been playing catch up all week on my sleep, because when I go out of town, I don't sleep very good in a different bed. So I have been playing catch up. So I am having some coffee. I give myself about 30 minutes in the mornings to kind of wake up and get adjusted. I just have to. One thing that I've been doing, my mom gave me this, and I thought it was really pretty. First of all, it comes with this really pretty pen, and it has a scripture on it. And it says, "Be still and know." It is a devotional, and I thought it was really interesting. The very first thing that it spoke about was us being too busy to give God any time or to have time for ourselves. And I thought that was really, really good. And the first thing in the devotional was to write down ways that we could make it so that we could have more time in our day for the Lord and for ourselves. And I found that it was very, very interesting. And I have been filling out that book for a couple of days now. And so thanks, Mom, for that, because that was really good. I have plans to go to the gym today. They usually pick us up between 11:30. I want to say between 11:30 and 12:30, because sometimes they're late, sometimes they're early. We went to Walmart. What day was that? Thursday. Oh my goodness, no. Oh, excuse me. We went to Walmart Wednesday, and they were supposed to pick us up at 9:45, and they had us to Walmart by 9:30, which it all worked out fine, because when I got done early, I called them and said, "Hey, you guys picked us up like a whole bunch of time early and got us here super, super early than what we had intended. Is there any way you can come and pick us up?" And they did, so that was good. So I have a list. I made a list last night of everything that I want to get accomplished this morning before I head out to the gym. Going to the gym to me is my relaxed time. I really do enjoy my time with my husband. I enjoy swimming. I enjoy seeing my friends at the gym. And it's supposed to be a big scorcher today outside, so it's a perfect day to go to the gym. So it will be nice if, I can go with a clear mind of knowing that I have accomplished all this stuff, and that's the reason why I get up so early. And believe you me, I could have stayed in bed. Like most people. I could have stayed in bed. So I need to put away my clean dishes, and I have a few that I need to wash. I need to disinfect counters. I need to load coffee pot. And see, I have a K-Cup in the morning, and then I load the coffee pot for when Ronnie gets up. I need to fold my load of laundry that's in the dryer right now. I need to scrub out my oven. I may not get to that today, because that will take a little bit more time. But there's some stuff that's spilt in the bottom of my oven, and it needs to be cleaned out. Boy, that coffee is amazing. I have a load of towels I want to wash. I need to clean up my dining room in here. I just need to do a quick tidy up and wipe down the table. Not very big deal. A lot of times we look at chores and things and we think, man, this is going to take us forever. But really, you know, all of it combined might take an hour, you know, washing the dishes may only take 15 minutes. But we look at it like it's going to be a devastating chunk of time. I need to pick up living room. It's not too bad in here. I have a couple things on the coffee table. My purse needs to be put up. Just a couple water bottles out where my husband was drinking water yesterday. Not a big deal. I need to sweep and mop. I need to get the swim stuff together. I need to make my bed. And I need to release my YouTube video for today. So if I can get all of that done, plus I have a phone call that I need to make. I have a doctor's appointment on July 1st, and I need to schedule a ride for that. So I'm going to go to see my brand new doctor since I have moved to the Huntington area, and so that will be nice. I've already met her. She's Ron's doctor, and I like her, so, and I'm comfortable with her, so that's really good. So anyhow, that is what I got going on. I'm going to sit here I give myself, well, right now, I've got about, since I started vlogging, I have about 10 minutes to drink my coffee and just unwind this morning. And I hope that your morning is going very, very well. And I hope that you find this video to be productive and enjoying. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new, I'm Heidi. I live in West Virginia with my husband, and we're both disabled. My husband is blind. I am visually impaired, hearing impaired. But we get on with our life, and we do things in spite of the complications sometimes. And we love each other, and we just love persevering and, you know, telling others that they can make it. If we can make it, you can make it. So thank you for coming to my channel. I'm going to have my wonderfully delightful coffee this morning, and I'm going to get to work. First thing I'm going to start with this morning is folding this laundry while I drink my coffee this morning. So we'll get this on out of the way. There it is, all done. We got a side for Ron and a side for me. And I'm going to get that put up. I have a few things that just fell off my lap. These are just hang-up clothes. I don't do anything to them until I get upstairs and I hang them up and put them in the closet. But other than that, the laundry is done for today. So I have decided to go ahead and scrub out this oven because it really needs it. And I thought I would just share with you that I take these out. And you can see it. I'll turn the oven light on because it'll help you see it better. Here we go. You can see where stuff has splattered. In here where I have cooked probably barbecue chicken. And I love to use the Dawn Power Wash on my stove. It works amazing. So what I do is I give it a good dousing, and I let it set while I'm doing other things in the kitchen, and then I come back to it. What I love about the Dawn is that it doesn't have a bad smell. It doesn't give off a major chemical thing to breathe in. And I just spray everything real good, and I let it sit. And when I get done with the dishes over here, I'll come back and scrub this out. Okay, there are the dishes I just got done washing. It looks like a whole lot, but really it's just bigger items because it was from supper yesterday. I've got all the silverware, and I don't know if anybody else does this. I'll show you guys real quick. I always let my silverware soak in bleach water, and then I wash it. I've got Ronnie's coffee brewing, and yeah, that's about it for right now. And I'm about to throw out some grease from where I fried yesterday. And that's how we throw away our grease. That way it don't spill in the trash. Oven is done, and I'm going to quickly put away these dishes, and I'm going to sit down and take a break because I am sweating bullets. Ronnie's got the TV blaring, but I am going to put away all this stuff in here in the dining room, and then I'm going to sweep and mop. Are you pausing that for me?
No.
Now it is time to mop the floors, and I use this Lysol Clean and Fresh. It smells really, really good, and it does a very, very good job. So I'm going to put some hot water in here and get this going. Just finished mopping the floor, and I'm about to go in the laundry room over here and put the wash into the dryer. So I thought I would show you my list. So the first thing I did was empty the dishes, put them away, wash the dishes. And then I disinfected the counters. And I loaded the coffee pot because I knew Ron would be down here. Oh, I folded a load of laundry. That was the first thing I did. I scrubbed out the oven, got that done. I washed a load of towels. Those are just put in the dryer. And clean dining room, as you can see here, all clean. And let's see, pick up living room, I did, and I'll show that to you. And sweep and mop. I did get the kitchen swept and mopped and the dining room, and I'm just gonna need to mop the living room real quick as I'm on my way upstairs. Oh, swim stuff together, yeah. Ronnie's already dressed. He's already fed. We got that all done. All I got to do is get ready. And I got to make my bed and release my YouTube. So I think I had a pretty good, productive day today. And now I am going to finish my mopping and go upstairs and release my YouTube and get ready to go to the gym. And it feels good to get all this done before I have to head out of the house. You hear my birds in the background, but I just released the video for today. Right there, 3 days of vacay. And if you missed out, this is the one that came out on Wednesday. This was our Drew trip. What am I saying? Our zoo trip. You know, I'm trying to vlog here. Yes, I am. Okay, so they get louder the more I talk. So this is the zoo trip, and this was vacation as it started. I know I put a picture of my mom with her accordion on this. Technically, we did do that, but it's not in that actual video. It's in this one at the cookout. I did film a little footage of her. My mother's a musician. She plays the piano. She plays accordion. She plays everything. So she played, Ronnie sang. It was a good time around the campfire. So if you missed those, tune in on those. They were really good videos. I enjoyed them. There were a lot of great memories that I made. But anyways, this is released. And this is almost the last thing I have to do. I have to go get ready to go to the gym. And I have to grab a beach towel. And I have to make my bed. And my day will be done this morning. And I can go to the gym knowing that I have checked off everything on my list. And these birds are just going to keep getting louder. What's the matter with you? Huh? What? Now they're going to be quiet. Bed is made, and I am ready to go to the gym. So bed is made. Everything on my list is completed, which is awesome. I have glasses on my head, yes, because I keep losing them today, and I'm trying to do things. Anyhow, it is a beautiful day. It's going to be a great day to get to the gym. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me today. Just, you know, showing that, you know, if you make a list and you are, you know, got a good mindset, you can get everything done and get on your way and have a fantastic afternoon. So that is what I'm going to do. It is 10:30. I'm completely done. I am ready for the gym, and I am going downstairs to have some breakfast. And then the bus should be here, and I'll be headed out the door. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you part of Kiddos Koral. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.